Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to do an unboxing for you guys. So everything in today's video was sent to me by Miss Lauren King. If you're not following her on Instagram, I highly recommend giving her page a follow and just checking her stuff out. She posts everything between beauty, skincare, travel, just fashion, just everything that I'm really into is what her feed is all about, and her feed just always looks so good. She also has a YouTube channel, so if you're looking for another channel to follow, I highly recommend you checking her channel out also. I'll have her Instagram and her channel down below for you guys, so it'll make it a lot easier. And she's also one of those people that does tons of giveaways. She's just one of those really She's also one of those really honest people. When she talks about a product, you know she truly stands by what she's talking about, or it's very, very rare, in my opinion, to find people who are completely honest with things that they talk about, and she is definitely on that list. So I definitely recommend giving her a follow, or just, you know, just checking her out. So I remember a little while ago she was trying to partner up with Sephora. They were looking for other influencers, and I did a testimonial for her because, like I said, I do believe that she is one of those genuine people, and I like seeing genuine people achieve their goals and get ahead. And I guess I was one of the first people who did a testimonial for her, and she sent me a box full of untouched makeup. She was just super sweet. She asked me which shade I was in certain makeup products, and because I didn't know, she sent me a couple extras. I did already open a couple of products, but I just wanted to show you everything that she sent me. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is the giveaway prize that I won back when. I've had this for a while, but I just haven't used anything because I haven't been posting in a while. So I was trying to wait until I was ready to film again before really just showing you guys everything. So this is the product that I won in the giveaway. It is from Laura Mercier. It is their Stardust Radiant Glow palette. This palette is so pretty. They don't even have it in stock anymore. And I don't even remember if I saw it in stores, but tell me how beautiful this is. Everything is just absolutely stunning. I seriously can't wait to use this. So this was the giveaway that I won from her. And the box of makeup I've already opened, so I kind of organized everything a little bit, so it's just a lot easier for me to get in. So the first thing I'm just going to show you is she sent me a shower cap, which of course I'm going to make very good use of. And then like I said, she asked me what shade I was in the Smashbox Studio Skin 15-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation. I told her I wasn't sure, and I told her which shade I thought I was, and I believe I told her I thought I was 3.2, so she sent me 3 shades. She sent me 3.1, 3.2, and 3.35. So I think I'm pretty much set with my summer shade. So I really appreciate that she took the time out to ask me what shade I was, so at least I was getting a shade that I'd be able to use. She also sent me 2 Smashbox concealers. This is also the Studio Skin 24-Hour Concealer. She sent me the shade Medium Warm and Medium Warm Golden. I've never tried Smashbox products, so I'm actually really excited to trying this. And that's also why I wasn't sure what my shade was. So the next couple of products are from CoverGirl. She sent me a couple of products from their Full Spectrum range, and this one is in Gravity, and this one is in Zodiac. So I haven't used any of them yet, but everything looks really good. I did hear a lot of good things from this line. I don't really use a lot of CoverGirl products, but I'm trying to think, have I used any CoverGirl products? I don't remember if I have, or maybe it's just been a while. Okay, so she also sent me this Full Spectrum Contour and Correct Expert. So it is 8 shades. Everything's kind of upside down, so this is a little confusing. So it's got 8 cream shades for neutralizing, contouring, highlighting, and balancing pigmentation. There's some red and salmon and yellow tones. And yeah, I'm excited to try this out. I love a really good orange corrector shade, so hopefully that goes really well. And then this one is a versatile cheek palette, and it looks like everything is just highlighters, which looks really, really nice. This shade looks beautiful. This may be a little too silver for my skin tone, but I can definitely make it work, at least for eyeshadow. Then she also sent me a small Almay bag. This is going to be perfect for throwing my brushes in when I travel. She also sent me one of those silicone blenders. I've never, this is actually the first time I'm feeling this. I'm not really sure how I feel about these, but it's worth giving it a shot. Let me know if you guys have ever tried any of those silicone sponges and what you think about it. She's also sent me a keychain that says "On My Way." And then she also sent me a clip-on ponytail. So this is what it looks like. And she sent me a dark color. Obviously my hair is a little too short. I cannot put it in a ponytail, but when it gets a little longer, I will see how that works. She also sent me a Dermalogica Sound Sleep Cocoon Night Gel Cream. I'm going to put this here. I love eye creams. And there's a couple of more CoverGirl products. These are some eyeliners right here. This is in the shade Gold. We have a deep purple and we have a deep blue. I love purple and I love blue, especially on my eyes. And then we have a couple of, okay, so this one is a full spectrum lip gloss, and I don't know the shade of, oh, this one is in the shade Believe Me. It's a really nice, I guess light, not lilac, lavender shade. So let's see how pigmented that is. And these are matte liquid lipsticks. I don't think I've ever, I don't know if I've heard about these, but I'm definitely going to make use of all 3 of these. And the last product that she sent me is from Laura Mercier. It's a foundation primer. And this, I've actually never used a Laura Mercier foundation primer. This is the Radiance. So I'm really hoping that this works well. That's what it looks like. And it doesn't have a scent. It doesn't feel sticky. So I can't really tell with Radiance primers what it's going to look like unless my foundation is completely on. So just swatching on my hand, I just wanted to see what it felt like, to see if there was any shimmer. There's no shimmer whatsoever, but I'll definitely try this out and see how it goes. So this is everything that she sent me. I really appreciate all of these amazing products. To be honest with you, I haven't used or tried any of these products at all, so everything is going to be really new and very exciting for me. And again, she went above and beyond trying to ask me and find out what my foundation and concealer shades I was in, so she could send me products that I can actually make use of. So I am actually super, super excited to trying out the foundations and the concealer and the primer. Yes, the primer, I was looking for it. And with the primer also, these are all things that I wanted to try before in the past, but I just really wasn't too sure. So now I have the opportunity to. If you guys want to know what I think about the foundation and the primer, let me know. And if you want me to review any of these products or do any looks with any of these palettes, I think I definitely want to use this one. The colors are perfect for springtime, especially these right here. And I'm also Yeah, I'm also really liking this green and pink as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll also have all of her Instagram and her YouTube channel down below, so you guys can check her out and give her a follow, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.